Hey, I'm Fish. Thank you for joining the show. Ever want to hear what a camera sounds in a car? And what it looks like out on a window that you try to keep clean? I see lights. I'm at the right. You don't know what to do. You make a right. You get off. And they get off as well. You let them go. That's what you do. And off they go. Let's go grab a wagon. An orange wagon, that is. And let's go have fun rolling a wagon. Daffodilias and cherry tomatoes are my request. Now Vigorolos. You know what daffodilias look like, right? They're these. And they're still $7 a piece. They're supposed to go down to 3 for $10. Yet they're $6.98 a piece. They are hard to get. They truly are. So are cherry tomatoes. I'm growing red bell. I don't need red bell or green bell. I need cherry tomatoes. I'm getting sprinkled with the sprinkler. Nothing like getting some veggies, right? Let's go get some other stuff. Nothing like paying $5.97 for 2 bags at $10.84 versus $12.97. 6 quart or 16 quart? The better buy. I got out of here. I couldn't get a doormat. Didn't have any at all. I got 3 cherry tomatoes. I got car wash. I got indoor potting mix, screws. I got ant bait. And I got wood chips. Off I go. Well, when I went to shoot video during the store, a lot of times I forgot to turn the camera off. And man, yeah, it cost me. Got the scene, but the camera goes down and it's on. How does that happen? Not an action camera, right? $3.75, $3.65, $3.69. Gas is just gonna go to $4. Well, I'm happy you came along. Shop with me. I shared the fun. Enjoyed the fun. And on that note, I'm Fish. I'll catch you on many other videos to come.